Selective licensing. Welcome to our Selective Licensing Properties section, your gateway to exclusive off-market properties ripe for acquisition. Here, we empower you to connect directly with property owners and managers, presenting your interest in purchasing these valuable assets. Selective licensing is a scheme implemented by local authorities that requires landlords to obtain a license before renting out certain properties within designated areas. Our platform provides information about properties subject to selective licensing requirements. These properties, being already licensed and rented out, can serve as off-market opportunities for potential buyers or investors. Since they are not actively listed for sale but are generating rental income, they offer discrete avenues for acquisition, potentially bypassing competitive market conditions and offering opportunities for negotiated deals. Accessing such properties not only ensures housing quality, but also unveils off-market investment opportunities with income-generating assets. First, click on the Selective Licensing tab from the dashboard. Here, you'll find everything you need to know about our selective licensing. Upon entering our Selective Licensing Properties page, you'll discover a curated selection of licensed rental properties, each brimming with potential. These properties are not only licensed, but are also currently rented, offering a unique opportunity for investors like you. Scroll through our comprehensive list, showcasing properties ready for acquisition. From cozy apartments to spacious homes, each listing holds promise for your investment endeavors. With our Selective Licensing Properties feature, you have the power to explore, connect, and secure off-market properties with ease. Start your journey towards property acquisition success today. Explore our Selective Licensing Properties section now and unlock a world of exclusive investment opportunities. Happy investing!